Husband, calling from work. Hi, honey. I have a great opportunity to go on a weekend fishing trip with the boys. Would you mind packing my clothes and get my gear together for me, please? Oh, and pack those silk boxers I like to sleep in too, please. It will feel good after a day in the river to sleep in them. I'll be home in 30 minutes. We have to get there before dark tonight. Thank you, love. Wife. Okay. Husband gets home. Is everything ready to go? And you packed my boxers, right? Wife. Yes, of course, you're all set. Enjoy yourself. I love you. Husband returns. Wife. How was your trip, honey? Husband. It was great. We all caught our limit of fish, but you forgot to pack my silk boxers. Wife. No, I didn't. I put them in your tackle box.